I've been sitting out here. This is tropical wetlands, North Queensland. It's beautiful. There's the wallaby right there. Wallaby just headed back into the reeds. You can see so much wildlife out here. There's an eagle that is circling above. Can't see it with my lens, but who knows what he's doing over there. But they get comfortable with you once you settle into their landscape. Oh, you can see him looking at me in the bushes. He's a cute little guy. He's hopping around. But from the top of the food chain with the eagle soaring in the sky to the bottom with these dragonflies floating above the reeds, it's incredible out here. I only know a few of the species names, but that is some type of heron out there with a big yellow bill and a big white plumpy body with it stay in the reeds, and they swoop down to the water and then head back. And I don't know what they're called, but I know that these flock of geese over here is called magpie geese. They are everywhere here, and similarly there is a species of duck which is all black, and there's a bunch of flocks of them which come in and kind of come and go with the geese. They kind of will come and then the geese will go and then the geese will come. And you also have what's called Australasian darters, which are similar to a cormorant, and those guys are little fisher guys, and they're just a bit smaller than these geese right here. And one of them swam over to this heron. You can see the heron over there, chased him off their property, and they, like, the geese are chilling now, but they have this whole pond here to eat in. They chase this heron off and he comes back, and they chase him off and he comes back. So right now they're letting him stay, but they keep chasing him off. There's lots of birds in these trees where I'm walking at here. In these trees are lots of songbirds and even rainbow lorikeets, which I don't see right now, but I saw a few earlier. The bugs are a little bit harder to capture with my camera, so I can't show you, but there's quite a few cool different species of butterflies and dragonflies. But again, like there's one dragonfly, but again, it's hard to see with the camera. So as it is from there, that's the wildlife I've seen so far today. Probably spent an hour sitting here and was surprised at how many different animals I saw. It's just incredible. It is much drier now. You can see basically the tide, the swamplands is dried up farther back, which there's still things to eat, of course, but it gets even more crazy out here when the water is coming right on up in. And then you have a lot more chance of crocodiles and, you know, other things coming into the swamp here. But it's just amazing to be out here in this nature. Thanks for enjoying this little bit of wildlife in tropical North Queensland with me.